Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the second question of projections of line inclined to both the planes. So as I said in the previous video that we have total 7 models or 7 questions I will discuss according to those 7 models. Yeah, previous class first question I have done, today's class or in today's video second question out of 7, second one today we are dealing with it. Okay, let us see the question first, what they are asking in the question. A line AB, assume this is the line AB, 90 mm long, has its end A 30 mm above HP. Assume this is the end A of a line AB which is 90 mm long. This is the end A. Okay, this end A is how much above HP? 30 mm. So from here it is 30 mm up, and with respect to VP how much distance it is? 40 mm up. So this end A is 30 mm up, 40 mm in front with respect to VP. So front view will fall at a height of 30 mm up and top view will fall in front 30 means down 30. So like projection of points, we have to locate first the end A of that line AB. Okay, so assuming this is our XY line, end A is 30 mm above. Okay, front view A dash 30 mm above. Okay, and the same end A is 40 mm in front of VP. So 40 mm down. So this projector, it will be up to 30 here and down 40. Okay, end A we have located. Now in the previous problem, inclination of line with respect to HP was given, so we have drawn like this. Inclination of line with respect to VP was given, so we have drawn like this. Length was known to us, like previous problem. Here also length is given, but in the previous problem theta was given, that is inclination with HP. Here theta is not given, but what they have given, the another end, that is A to B, where it is, see, A is 30 mm above HP, 40 mm in front. This we have done, 30 up, 40 in front. Now we will go to A over, now we will go to end B. B is 60 mm above HP. So let us locate end B. End B is 60 mm from here, but where it is, here, here, we don't know. So let us take locus. Locus height is 60 mm. So at a height of 60 mm, just we are drawing one horizontal line. This line and this line will be parallel to each other. So somewhere here B will be lying, which is above 60. So B will be at a distance of 90 because length of the line AB is 90 mm long. So from here you keep center, length of the line 90. Wherever the radius 90 is cutting, you take it like this. Okay, so assume somewhere here. So A to B 1 dash. So this is true length 90 mm long line, one end 30 mm up, another end 60. So A is 1 end 30 mm, another end means B end is 60 mm above. So 60 mm first we have drawn the locus because we don't know the inclination. So B may be anywhere. So after drawing locus, we have taken the true length which is given 90, keep it here, 90 radius, you cut this locus. This is the arc. After that, same step for another end B. B here we have taken 40 mm, sorry, where it is, B 60 mm up we have taken. Now B is 80 mm in front of VP. So with respect to VP means down 80 mm we need to take the locus. So this is locus of B. Somewhere here the B will be lying. So how much length of the line is there? 90 mm. Take this as center, radius is 90 mm, just draw an arc. So somewhere here B2 you will be getting. In the previous video by mistake I have kept here B1, it is actually B2. Okay, so now this, how we got this? Locus is at a distance of 80 mm, because 80 mm the another end is lie and length of the line is 90 mm. Now join this A to B. So this is also true length. Now the problem is like, just these two are construction line. You can draw any length, but this should be exactly parallel to this XY line. Now the problem is very similar to the previous problem. So as per the previous problem, what we did, true length should be projected till this point. This point is called B1, and after this A to B as radius, this length as the radius, this A as center, rotate this. So we will be getting here as final B, and here if you project this up, this is called B2, this is called B2 dash. Take this as a radius and rotate it. Somewhere here you will be getting the another end B dash. Join this two. Okay. So this is your front view. Join this two. This is your top view. Okay. Now what they are asking, result. Below the diagram we will draw the result. Here space is not there. I am writing result here. So first point, what you will be writing in the result? First point, draw the projections of AB. Here you need to write projections of AB is drawn. Now second, and show its inclination with HP and VP. As I said in the previous class, inclination with HP and VP are called, inclination with HP is theta, inclination with VP is phi. These two are called true inclinations. True inclinations will be taken with true lengths. So this is theta, this is phi. So measure this, and second point, third point, like that in the results you can mention the true inclinations. So once have a look, the problem was like this. End A was 30 up, 40 in front, and this another end, this end B is 60 mm above, and from here with respect to VP 80 mm. Like this the line was inclined to both the planes. So we have drawn the projections like this. Okay, if you have any doubts you can put it in the comments, and if you like the way of explanation, please like, subscribe and share my videos. Okay, thanks for watching.